Python Pyodbc. Invalid syntax with SQL. I'm using Pyodbc to pull some data off our internal database, and I'm using the following SQL which works perfectly in SQL Server Management Studio. For some reason if I remove the where statement the SQL pull works, but if I leave it in, I get invalid syntax despite as I said the SQL working fine in SQL SMS. I've tried using double quotes around true, but get the following error. Any ideas? Edit, problem solved. I didn't use double quotes on my SQL statement so it wouldn't recognize the single quotes around the true statement. Using one worked as wasn't using quote marks, and using double quotes around the statement also worked as it then recognized the single quotes around true. Thank you all.
Your whole SQL statement should be in double quotes, not single quotes, and then the true can remain in the single quotes.
True, true enclosed by single or double quote, is a string and cannot be compared with a boolean. In SQL using one or true, both without quotes and true is not case sensitive, for boolean true will work.
I solved a similar problem replacing true with one, without quotes.
I fui lá de cima, por isso considera a buscar e brinco.